Welcome to Up Stocks, Run Up Stocks. Let's straight away jump into our stocks list. Today's list we are going to see five stocks. The first one in our list, GNK, ticker symbol GNK, ticker symbol GNK, Genco Shipping and Trading Company. Genco Shipping and Trading Company. This is a trading company, as we all know that as long as the supply demand is there, the shipping companies will be in a huge demand. Right now, the stock is trading around 26.69, and it's very undervalued stock. And the perspective for the performance look for short term, long term, and mid term, everything looks good. So this has a very good opportunity. Let's look into the before we look into the statistics. Let's look the dividend. It pays nice dividend, 12% dividend for every year, which is great. And let's look into the statistics. So it has a profit margin of 37.22, which is great. And return on asset and return on equity is also a good rate, 26.41 on the return on equity. All the data looks great, and if you look into if see any company who is paying more dividend, like more than 5%, they usually have a lot of debt, but not this stock having more debt. It's reasonable debt to give such a great dividend, so it's a good opportunity to consider. And also, if you look into the float, starting float, it does not have a lot of short squeeze. It is very low float level, so it does not have any short squeeze, so it may not go down in the short term as quick as possible, so which is great. And then let's look into the chart. So over the year it has been running greatly. From last year $16, and today is around $27, which is great. If we look into the chart, there is a nice double bottom or the cup and holder, and here is also one cup and holder pattern, which is nice. So this is a great opportunity. You can look into. It's a GNK, Genco Shipping and Trading. Genco Shipping and Trading, GNK. Before we jump into our next list, this is not a financial advice. It is for education and entertainment purpose only. You do please your own research, even though you are seeing you are seeing in this video. It's better to do your own research. So let's look into the next stock in our list. The next stock is NFE, ticker symbol NFE, New Fortress Energy. It's a utility company. It has a very good run over the year, and it does not have enough dividend paying out, but it's okay. If you look into the performance outlook, it all looks good. Short term, mid term, and long term, everything looks good, and analysis also looking good. And let's look into the statistics. It looks it has a nice profit return on equity and nice profit margin over this year, and which is great. And and uh, and and the short squeeze, there is no short squeeze, which is safer. There is no short squeeze happening, so which is great. So which is good. And let's look into the chart, NFE. And if we look into over a year, year to date from January, it almost doubled, more than doubled, $25 in January, and right now it's above 50. so which is great. So it has a pretty good run. It can run pretty much another good bull run. So the stock is NFE, New Fortress Energy, NFE. Look into that. If you like so far, please like, subscribe. The next one in our list is Hudson Technologies, ticker symbol HDSN. HDSN, Hudson Technology. It's a chemical, specialty chemical. Uh, this uh, this government infrastructure uh, infrastructure benefits given a good run for this stock over the last year, and it's a very good position. Um, if we look into the stock, it's right now undervalued, and the performance outlooks also looking good, and the analysts also giving good rating, and it's a basic materials or infrastructure specialty chemicals. And let's look into the statistics quickly. um, the return on equity is huge because it had a very good run over the last year, and the profit margin and our operating margin also looks good. And let's look into the institution holding is above 70%, which is great, and there is no short squeeze, which is also great. And let's quickly look into the graph. So year to date, for from January to now, from $5 to $10, it's doubled, more than doubled now. And if we look into 1 year chart, it's $3 to $10. It's almost fourfold right now, which is great. And if we look into the 5 year chart, it's a nice cup and holder pattern is forming. So you can consider this stock for a long term holding. Anyways, let's look into our running horse. The next two stocks we will look covered call as well as call option, but you can do straight stocks as well. Instead of covered call and call option, you can just do buy stocks. So the next stock is Halo, ticker symbol Halo, 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 Halozyme Therapeutics. It's a bio biotechnology stock, and it is undervalued stock, and performance outlook looks good. And let's look into the chart. So over last year, it's running pretty good, and over year to date, it's it had a very good run. But the main interest we have is covered call. So let's see the call option. So in the call option, expiration next month expiration. Right now it's trading 44, and 10% above strike price 48, which has $2 premium. So you can collect the premium as well as 10% gain, so which is great. Almost 15% increase for a 1 month, which is not bad. And the second one is straight call option. It's a energy company, CDEV, ticker symbol CDEV, CDEV ticker symbol, and Centennial Resource Development. It's an energy company. It has a huge run over last year, and if you look into, it's undervalued. All the performance outlooks are looking great, and the analyst rating also coming good over last 2 months. And if we look into the chart, it has a good run over the year, and it looks good. And if we look into the call option, this is very good call option for the very reasonable price. So for price for October 21 expiration, if you look into strike price 10, right now it's trading around 9, so just $1, it can easily move $1. It's trading around $1 for a strike price 10, which is great. If you want little more time, then you can go for January 23, and you can choose 11 or 12 strike price. 11, it's looking great, like $1.23, which is great. So this is great opportunity to have a good run. So those are the stocks we are having today. Food for thoughts. Today's food for thought, we are going to see a book called Neatest Little Guide to the Stock Market Investing. It's by Jason Kelly. He is a great author. It's a very nice book. He explains all the fundamentals. I mean, even if you are advanced or master in the stock market investing, it's always no go back and read the basics, as well the fundamentals. It's a very good book, and he explains all the details with a small lemonade shop and how the stock works and everything. It's a great book for base understanding, so you can try it. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and we will see you on the next video.